In this video, I will show you how we can protect Instagram application from nudity. The process is very simple. You have to open your Instagram application and now go into your profile icon. Now go into three dotted lines. Scroll down and you will see this option here, which is messages and story replies. Click on it. Here you can see that there is no option of nudity right here, so you need to update your application of Instagram. So I will go back and open my Play Store or App Store and search here Instagram. Now tap on it and update it. You can see that my Instagram application is updated. So now I will open it and then again I will press on messages and story reply. You can see that there is option of nudity protection right here. Simply turn on, and in this case you can save your Instagram application from nudity.